Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. You can see here, module not found error. They say no module name WordPress, etc. So recently I decided to update my Python. Okay, there's a new version. I'm gonna show you. So I decided to update my Python to 3.11. So after I done that, every time I run this program here, I got this error. So what I found, it took me the whole day to come right. Okay. So what I did is to come to files. I went to setting. As you can see here, right now I'm using the 3.11. Okay, this is the new version. So when I come here to this interpreter, you can see those packages here. None of those was installed. None of those was installed. Okay, I was only having 3 packages here. Okay, so what I realized when I changed to the old version to this one, if I change to this one, I was able to use, I wasn't getting the error. So what I did, this is my old Python. As you can see here, this is the directory for my old Python. Okay, so what I did here is to copy all those folders. Okay, and then I went to the new installation, which is the Python 3.11. Okay, so I paste them all here. Okay, so I copy from the old Python installation and then I paste them to the new Python installation. So you need to find, this is the directory. As you can see here, you go to C users. This is my name, app data, local program Python 3.11 live site package. So this is where I paste all my old installation from Python 3.88, as you can see here. So after I did that, everything was perfect. Because what I did first when I come here, I just click to this plus, and I look for one of the package I was looking for that was giving me error, and I go to WordPress. And then I got it somewhere here. I already installed it, but anyway, if I click like something like this, WordPress, and I just click install package. Let's say I do like this. It's gonna install it. As you can see here, they say package successfully installed. So after I finish installing this error went off completely. I never had it again. So this is how I solved this problem. No module name. Very simple. Not simple because it took me the whole day. But anyway, I'm happy I come right. I hope this video will have someone who will also face the same problem as me. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe.